ZKTeco partner. Nice to meet you. I am Vic, the product manager from the vehicle management department. In the past 2 years, we have experienced the global prevailing pandemic in the past that we have never imagined. The pandemic changes us a lot in our lives and in our works, and at the same time, it also promotes the progress of digitalization in all industry. What have ZKTeco done under the background? So this is our topic. We will introduce a new cloud solution in digital time, ZKTeco Cutting-Edge OTA car park terminal management cloud platform. Before we introduce the new solutions, we can review the older mode. For example, in a project, if our device have problem, our customer will give us call and complaints, and we must arrange our after sale personnel to drive a car to go to the project site. This may be need 1 hour or 2 hours, and after he arrived the site, he needed to analyze the problem and analyze problem, locate the problem. Sometimes it may be solved the problem directly, but most of the time he must to go back and to talk about the development, and maybe to take some accessory to go back to the site again. So after the problem solved, it may be need a long time. It has low efficiency and high cost. Of course, it will give poor customer experience and a bad enterprise image. We just called the traditional mode as a passive service. What is a passive service? It means we offer our service from the end customer if they have problem. So in the digital time, so we don't think this is a good way. Based on the cloud and the AIoT technology and combines our new conception. What is the concept? It's about connecting through our ZK POMS platform to connecting device, to connecting our customer, our partner, and connecting service. So we call this is active service. In this mode, through our platform, we can get the device information directly and do our service from active. So the next part I will introduce what is the POMS, and how the POMS can empower our partner, and what benefit can POMS bring to our bring our partner. ZKTeco POMS software offers work-based operation and maintenance system for real-time monitoring of car park, including real-time summary of equipment information, which indicate the car park area information, device status, and the install alarm and handling of device abnormality. It is an optimal system for SI to convenient and effective to offer service. There I have two important points. I think we should note. The first one is our device can connect our ZKPOM if they connect the wide area network. And the second important, this is cloud-based. This means we can check our device status in project in anywhere, in any time and anywhere. It can break up the time and space limited. This is the platform architecture. In the hardware level, we now have integrated our LPR camera, including LPR 300, LPR S1000, and LPR 4000. And in the next step, we will integrate more and more tracking devices into this system. And through the network, all device information will upload to the cloud, and we can have some application based on work platform and app. POMS have 5 main modules. The first is device management. That means we can add our device and check the device status and update their firmware. And the second is the project management. The project management means if our partner have project, you can put the project information, the project location, and the project contact to this platform. And the third is real-time monitoring. This means we can monitor our device status. And the fourth is the data report. All device information and our operation information will become a data report. This will help our partner to make a decision. The last one is customer management. It means like our many customer, he have a lot of customer like a SI, like a dealer, and like industry customer. This part we have introduced what is the ZKPOMS, and the next part we will introduce the platform function. First, this is the POMS logical flow. It means our partner, after sale personnel, he can make a log and then use the app to scan our QR code of our device, and our device will register on the POMS cloud, and then it can do device management and equipment management, and all device and information will become report. And sometimes if the device have problem, it will have abnormal for our after sales man. The second is our monitoring panel. This monitoring panel is a virtual data display platform. It can show different data in different dimensions, and this data can offer for our partner to make some decisions. For example, from the product dimensions, it can reflect which product is which product is good and which product have problems, and we can from this data we can analyze the problem, and from the area dimensions we could know which area we sell is good, our sales is good, and which area is not good, and thus we can increase the market promote in the area is not so good. And from customer dimensions, we can know which industry customer we have a high share, and which customer we don't have involved, and we need to develop a new customer or so on. And this the three is the OTA firmware update. I think this is the most important function in our ZK POMS. As we know, we have a doctor team to update the algorithm, and we will release our organization many times. And if our customer don't have this platform, he need to go to the project one by one to update the device. That is not convenient and not easy for our partner. And if you use OTA firmware, after we confirm with the end users, we can choose the device which need update. Just click, we can update our firmware successfully. And sometimes, if the device have bugs or we have published new features, we also can update the functions through OTA function. For my opinions, we can offer better service and better service for our customers through OTA, and based on this function, we can establish a connection with our customer, and for a long time, and there will be their new requirement. This one is work-based real-time operating and monitoring system. It can upload device information like the device model, the device work time, and the device maintenance period, and other information. And the second is the monitoring information. We can monitoring the device real time. We can know such as if the interface is okay, the CPU is okay, or the flash, or other information. And about the remote control, we can set the restart through this function, and we can make the device a factory setting. And the last one is device log. The device log will upload to our platform or in the last time. That means if the device have any problem, we can analyze the problem fast through the device log. And through this monitor system, I think we can solve 80% problem in our office. That means our employer no need to go to site, especially in pandemic time. And if sometimes we must to go to site, we can know what is the problem and know the solution, how we solve the problem before we go site, and after we arrive site, we can solve problem as soon as possible, give a good service for our customer, and make a good impress. The last one is the level of customer management. Our partner have different level management. All information we can add in this design. Okay, let me make a summary. What advantages we have bring to our partners know ZK POMS. POMS can offer less maintenance and higher efficiency. That means we can reduce the cost, and in the other side, it can improve the service and show a good company brand and image. And of course, we can also increase the second chance of sales in the same project because we have connect our customer and connect the project. And the last, we show the digital connection model. For now, ZK POMS only offered a simple function like OTA, like a data analyze. But in the future, we will make the platform become more comprehensive. We will add like device debug demo, online video training, and call center, and dispatch order. All information will become digital, and we can have our partner become more efficient and low cost, and increase their sales. That is all. This is my introduction is over. If you are interested in our ZK POMS, you can contact with our salesman and to get the texting account and password. If you have any good idea or suggestion or any problem, you also could contact with us. Thank you.